Good morning, student. Today we study exercise 4.4. First 18 question we solve already. Question number 90. Find the value of p so that the sum of the roots of the equation 3x square plus 2p plus 1x minus p minus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to the product of roots. We write equation 3x square plus 2p plus 1x minus p minus 5 equal to 0. We write as 3x square plus 2p plus 1x minus p plus 5 equal to 0. We have sum of roots equal to product of roots. So write the formulas of both terms. Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Put the value. Minus 2p plus 1 upon 3 equal to minus p plus 5 upon 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. Then we have 2p plus 1 p plus 5. 2p minus p equal to 5 minus 1 p is equal to 4. Then the answer p is equal to 4. Next question. Find the value of phi of sum of roots of given equation is half of their product x square minus p plus cx plus 2p minus 1 equal to 0. We have sum of roots equal to my product of roots. 1 upon 2 product of roots. 1 upon 2 product of root. Then we put the formula minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square equal to 1 upon 2 constant term upon coefficient of x square. Then p plus 6 upon 1 2p minus 1 2 cancel out. Then p plus 6 equal to 2 minus 1. Then we have p equal to 7. Answer p is equal to 7. Next questions. Question number 26. If one root of the equations be reciprocal of the other root, find the value of phi. 6x square plus 11x plus p equal to 0. First root of the equation alpha. So second root of the equation 1 upon alpha. Product of the roots constant term upon coefficient of x square. Alpha into 1 upon alpha equal to p by 6. So p equal to 6. Then answer p is equal to 6. Form a quadratic equation where first root is 2 plus root 5 and sum of roots is 4. First root alpha equal to 2 plus root 5. Sum of the roots 4. Then we let second root is beta. First root plus second root equal to 4. Beta equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 5. Then beta 2 minus root 5. Second root is 2 minus root 5. So product of the root first root into second root, we have 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1. The formula of quadratic equation x square minus sum of roots plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Other question is very important question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha third question, alpha cube plus beta cube. Fourth, alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha. Fifth, alpha plus beta upon alpha power minus 1 plus beta power minus 1. And last question, alpha power 4 minus beta power 4. Equations ax cube plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots of equation. Sum of roots minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is b and coefficient of x square is a. Product of roots constant term upon coefficient of x square c upon e. Then first part 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We take LCM alpha into beta, beta plus alpha. Put value alpha plus beta minus b upon a and alpha into beta c upon a cancelled a. Then we have minus b upon c. The value of minus 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta equal to b upon c. Second question, alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. We take LCM alpha beta, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta, alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. Put values. Then we have minus b cube plus 3abc upon a square c. The value of alpha square upon beta plus beta square alpha minus b cube plus 3abc upon a square c. Next part, alpha cube plus beta cube. Now we apply formula alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. Then we put the value. Then we find minus b cube plus 3abc upon a cube. The value of alpha cube plus beta cube minus b cube plus 3abc upon a cube. Next question, alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha equal to alpha beta, alpha square plus beta square. We take common alpha beta. Then we have alpha square plus beta square. Then alpha beta, the formula of alpha square plus beta, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Put the value of all terms. Then we have b square c minus 2ac square upon a cube. This is our answer. Next question. alpha plus beta upon alpha power minus 1 plus beta power minus 1. We write as alpha power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon alpha and beta power minus 1 equal to 1 upon beta. We take LCM, then we have alpha plus beta upon alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. Alpha plus beta cancel out alpha plus beta, then we have alpha into beta. If this value is C upon A, so answer C upon A. Next and last question, very typical question. Alpha power 4 minus beta power 4 equal to alpha square minus beta square. We like as a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus c. The formula of alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. The formula of alpha square minus beta square equal to root alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 4 alpha square beta square. We apply formula of alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now we let this is the a and this is b, then apply the formula a square minus b square. First a plus b, then a minus b. We have alpha plus beta whole square into alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Put the value of all term. At least we have minus b upon a cube, b square minus ac, b square minus 4ac upon a square, then minus b upon a power 4, b square minus 2ac, root b square minus 4ac. This is our answer. Next question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 8x plus k, find the value of k if alpha square plus beta square equal to 20. X square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. Then alpha and beta are the roots of equation alpha plus beta equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is minus 8, coefficient of 1, then we have 8. Product of roots equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square, then k upon 1 equal to k. The formula of alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to 20. Put value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. We have 44 equal to 2k, then k equal to 22. This is the answer. All the students solve this exercise and ask question in your group and in homework exercise 4.4 question number 90 to 41.